Hello everyone. Welcome to something unique that we're starting here. Max and I have kind of waged war against each other.
Yeah.
And so let's backtrack and basically our goal here is to build. Are we going quick or fast? What is the
fast, like long distance speed runs.
Okay. So
top speed.
Okay.
Tall
So
gear.
we were debating what to build to go fast with and just to have some fun with and try some stuff out, and then we got into a debate about what would be the best course of action.
So I chose the speedrun queen, which everyone uses. This is the good old 80. But Kyle here has something wrong with him, and he's decided to use the 22.4 2.0.
Yeah, the best 10 scale buggy ever made. So
I won't disagree.
I'm switching gears. We're doing belts because belts are for going fast, and doing some other stuff here and there. And obviously, there's going to be multi-parts to this video, so you're going to see a lot of interesting things we do. And obviously, we encourage you guys to chime in a little bit with
let us know if we're doing anything wrong.
Little speed secrets here and there. We already have a couple things that we're keeping from each other that we thought of. So if we don't mention something, it might not be because we don't know it. It might be because we're not sharing it with each other.
We're hiding it.
So basically, for this video, we're just gonna kind of run over everything that we
got so far.
That we've kind of picked out. Obviously, my side of the table is a little bit heavier, so why don't we start with you and then we'll go over.
That's because your car needs more stuff to make it better. My car's already, it comes in the box prepared to go fast. So I got the 80 4.0. I've got Spektrum Servo 6280, high torque servo, high voltage servo. I got the GPS speed meter. We both have a GPS Dynamite speed meter. I got SR 2010 receiver.
We both have a receiver as well.
I got the VST2 Pro Orion motor. I believe this is the 2100 kV. And I also have the RX8 6S ESC. Yeah. So that brings me to my next. I have a I went over there and hunted down a battery from our air guys. I got a 6S E-flite 50C. That's a Kyle Killer battery. And we should, while we're talking about this, we should probably mention that we're building these for the sole purpose of going fast. Yeah. Realistically, you shouldn't do this to your stuff because really an air battery is not designed to go in a surface car. So obviously we're going to have all the safety precautions in place while we're doing these videos. Please don't try putting goofy battery combinations unsecured. All our stuff's going to be secured, and we're going to have the safety stuff. But we don't want you to go out and buy this and drop it in your car. Do one speed pass, let it cool down. Yeah, exactly. So this will all be very monitored, and there's going to be a lot of testing that goes into this. So we just go ahead. I just wanted to bring that up before. Thanks, Kyle. So I also got the polycarbonate wing. I'm not going to tell Kyle because that's my speed secret right there. I got EC5 connectors for my ESC, some stiff shock oil, and I got some foam tires. I got some other stuff that isn't on the table because Kyle can't know about it. Oh yeah? Yeah. I thought we brought all the stuff to the table. I see how it's going to be. Oh, you said you hide the stuff. Not stuff, just speed tips. Anyway, so here we have the TLR 22.4 2.0. Your future champion of this competition. No. I also went ahead and ordered a 1.0 body for it. And the reason I did that is the cab forward just creates a little bit more drag and wind resistance. So I went with more of a streamlined look and feel. We'll see if that pays off. I might actually need more front downforce by the end of this. Motor side. This might not work. So we went with a 3.5 turn Orion motor and the Castle Mamba X system. And the reason I got the Mamba X is I wanted to be able to run pretty much any battery I could manage. This motor is probably not going to handle what we're going to throw at it. So we have to do some testing, and that's nothing to do with the motor. It's just these are already designed to run. I mean, the KV is, what do we see on this? 10,100 on a 2S. It's not really designed for 3S, which is what I have here from E-flite. So we're going to do a lot of 2S testing first, and then if we do get to the 3S, it's going to be very
short bursts. And
Yeah, I'm only testing mine on 4S.
Yeah, so the rotor may come apart just simply because it's not designed to spin 100,000 RPM plus like it's probably going to be. So bear with us. This motor may change. Aside from that, like Max said, speed, the Dynamite speed meter. I went with the Spektrum 6240, which is, you know, kind of like the workhorse for 10
It's
scale.
a 10 scale servo, yeah.
Aside from that, a lot of the stuff I got is more just to stabilize the car. I got the front and rear sway bar set. I got a 2-degree toe block to free up the rear end a little bit, make it go a little bit faster in the straight line. Just aluminum servo horns in case...
you crash because the car's going to be unstable.
No, you never crash. Not going to crash, just in case, you know, get a gust of wind and have to bring it back or bump the wall or whatever. Got a aluminum pulley set, got a couple extra spur gears, and then we got, obviously, some good 12-gauge wire. I got an EC3 connector. Went ahead and ordered some of the 61mm wheels and tires. AKA is actually sending us some slicks that we're going to mount up, and then show you a couple modifications we're going to make to those as well. Max doesn't have to worry about it with his foam tires, but I have to do some stuff to try to keep mine in check.
It's because you can run foams with A-scale and not with a 4-wheel.
Yeah, so, and then just aside from that, same receiver, and then I also got the voltage regulator just to hopefully calm things down for the whole system. Aside from that, like I said, I do have a few other things planned, but I didn't withhold products like someone seems like they're doing here.
Yeah.
So...
Got to keep the secrets
Stay tuned. This is kind of just our intro video. We'll probably start building these over the next week.
Yeah.
So,
and I think we're going to be doing kind of a build, keep in touch when we're building what we're doing.
Yep, exactly. And a lot of the stuff that you're probably thinking of that we're going to do, we've probably already going to do.
Thought of, yeah.
Both cars are going to be slammed. I'm putting a bunch of travel limiters in mine. I don't know if you've even thought about that.
I'm not telling you. But
Just to get the car lowered and things of that nature. There will be some dremeling action. There will be some...
Oh, see, I don't need to dremel my car to make it fast.
Okay. Well, when I show up and my car looks like a streamliner, you'll know why.
It'll also take off like an airplane because it'll be so light.
Yeah, that's fast, man. Yeah. You know what helps that? Front wing. So, stay tuned. This will be... YouTube, I'm guessing? We're going to put this on YouTube?
YouTube, Facebook. It'll be on most of our social platforms.
So make sure you subscribe and just stay tuned. Aside from that...
That's about it.
Yeah.
We got some more updates coming, so stay tuned with us.
Yeah. Thanks for stopping by.
Yep. See ya.
Good evening, San Diego. My name is Ron Burgundy.
My name is...
And I'm joined by Veronica Corningstone.
I'm going to start this.
I can just start talking.
That'll work.
All right, we're going to start now. You guys ready up back there, crew?